Hi guys, it is me, Sammy, and welcome back to my channel. Welcome to my channel if you're new here. I hope you're all having an amazing day. In today's video, I am going to be unboxing the most expensive advent calendar that I will be unboxing this year and that I've ever bought in my life. This is the Cult Beauty Advent Calendar for 2019. Now, it is their first ever advent calendar. It has already sold out. It sold out in under 2 hours. I was so lucky to get my hands on it, but I thought that I would still unbox it even though it's sold out, guys. Just in case you guys wanted to get it for next year, or just in case there are any competitions or anything to win it, you know what I mean? Like, just in case you guys wanted to know exactly what was in it, I'm still going to unbox it and show it, but it is already sold out. It was £195, which is hard to say that I've spent that amount of money on an advent calendar. But its overall value is actually meant to be over £680. So I am super excited to see what is inside. If you do like this video, guys, please don't forget to smash the thumbs up button and subscribe down below because it's free and we're almost on 50,000 subscribers, and you could be the 50,000th subscriber on my channel, which would be amazing, wouldn't it? But yeah, guys, go subscribe down below and go follow me over on Instagram at Sammy Louise. I'll leave the link for it down below, as well as the link for Cult Beauty, just in case you want to check out any of the products that are already inside the advent calendar. And yeah, guys, without further ado, let's unbox this advent calendar. So guys, this is actually my advent calendar for this year. This is the one that I'm going to be reboxing and opening throughout December. I'm just going to slide the sleeve off. It's a cute little sleeve with all, I'm assuming, oh yeah, that's got all the ingredients. I don't want to see what's inside. I mean, I did have a brief look before I purchased it, because I was like, that's a hell of a lot of money to not know what's inside exactly. So I know probably a couple of the products, but I haven't had a thorough look at everything that's in here. So I am super excited to dive in. The packaging is incredible. I love pink and I love any kind of like pastel-y colours like this, so this is stunning. And yeah, it's heavy, so let's dive in. Oh my gosh, I don't know how I'm going to do this while I'm videoing. Right, we'll put you like that, but you're going to keep closing, aren't you? Is that going to be irritating? Yeah, I'm going to get irritated by it, I bet. Right, let me try and find something to you. My cellar water, you can stay there and keep that open. Perfect. So yeah, guys, should we just dive in? It didn't come with a product card, like there's no product card inside, so I don't know like RRP values, and I don't know if I'm gonna know what all the stuff is, so apologies if I don't. But yeah, let's dive in and let's see what's in this advent calendar. Day number 1, we have an Alpha H liquid gold with glycolic acid, 50 mils. Ooh. What is this? Is it a screw? So lid pops off. It's just a little flip bottle. It says revitalises and assists in firming the skin in a single application through a multi-action formula of silk protein and licorice. Nice. So that is really, really cool. It's 50 mils, so a decent size product. And yeah, Alpha H, I've heard good things. So that's a cute day number 1. Day number 2. Oh my gosh. This is one of the things that convinced me to buy the box in the first place. This is the Natasha Nonna. I can't believe I'm actually saying that name in this house. Like, I'm holding one of the products. Like, I do not own an awful lot of high-end products, just so you guys know. I really don't. So this is a massive treat for me. So if I like fangirl over some of these brands, I apologise. But yeah, Natasha Nonna Bronze and Glow Bronze and Highlighting Powder. It's got a gorgeous bronzer and highlighter in there. Let's give it a swatch, because oh my gosh, it's so creamy. Oh my word. That's the highlighter. Oh my gosh, that is stunning. And the bronzer is there. Oh my word, that is my kind of highlighter, but I know I'm going to be one of them people that doesn't want to use it because it's so expensive. But yeah, there's Natasha Nonna Bronze and Glow. In day number 3 we have, this is a Dr. Barbara Sturm eye cream. This says Molecular Cosmetics. It's 5 mils. And yeah, it's an eye cream. I don't really know much about this brand or anything, but I'm excited to try it. It's kind of tiny, but I don't know anything about this brand, so I'm not really sure what else to say, but it's a little eye cream. Okay, I'm not going to be able to pronounce this brand. I hope there's some brands in here that I can correctly pronounce. But it's French. I want to say Eau de Cité Pure Elements. I'm going to butcher it, I know I am. But it's a lip serum, which excites me a lot. I have really, really dry lips, so I'm constantly like looking for things for my lips. So that really excites me. It's 2 mils. Let's open this up. It says this triple action serum is formulated for the vertical lines of the lip area to prevent dryness and help plump the look of lips. Ooh. This looks cool. Oh my god, it's like a ball roller at the top. Oh my gosh, this is exciting. I really want to try it, but I've just put on lip gloss. And I'm meant to be saving this calendar for my actual calendar this year. So definitely check out my Vlogmas videos because I am going to be testing out the products in each day on my Vlogmas videos when I unbox them for myself to use. But yeah, so that is in day number 4. So we've got a Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow Pink Juice Moisturiser. It's 25 mils. This bottle is so luxe. Oh my goodness. Oh, it's got a cute pump lid. Oh, that smells so watermelony. That smells delicious. Oh my gosh. And it's just got a little bit something in here as well. And it's the ultimate recipe for bouncy, glowing skin. So I love that, and yeah, oh my gosh, that smells incredible. Cannot wait to try that out. In day number 6 we have some Way hair care, which excites me a lot, and it's the leave-in conditioner. It's 25 mils and it's in a cute little spray bottle here, so super excited to try that out. So in day number 7 we have Paulas Choice Exfoliate, which is the skin perfecting 2% BHA liquid exfoliant. This is 30 mils. So yeah, it says that it unclogs and shrinks enlarged pores, which I need, and it also says that it smooths an even skin tone, so I'm super excited to try this out. So in day number 8 we have the Rox O'Neill Therapy Protect Bath and Body Oil. This is 30 mils in here. It says immune boosting formula to combat colds and flu, which sounds amazing. Oh. It smells very good. It smells like kind of mentholy, mixed with like spa, like treatment smells. I don't know, I'm the worst at describing smells, you guys know that, but yeah, it smells kind of mentholy, which is really, really nice. Day number 9 we have a Drunk Elephant product, which I cannot believe. This is my first ever Drunk Elephant product, but my friend Jack, who is at Tailored Skincare over on Instagram, loves Drunk Elephant so much, so if you want to know more about Drunk Elephant, go and check him out. But yeah, this is my first product by them, so that's super exciting. And this is the TLC Framboos Glycolic Night Serum, Refine and Retexturize. So I am hella excited to give this a go. So yeah, it's in a little pumping bottle, super cute. How many mls? So you got 5 mils in here, which is super cute, and I love the pink, love the packaging. Oh my gosh. In day number 10 we have the Augustinus Bader The Rich Cream. This is 15 mils. Let's just open the packaging and have a look inside. Ooh, this is very bougie. I love it. So yes, it's got a little pump bottle there, gorgeous colours, and feels very, very bougie. Super excited to give that a go. So in day number 11, we have a Virtue Co-Correct Split End Serum, which I need because my split ends are horrendous. So yeah, really excited to give this a go. We have 20 mils in here and it is hard to open. But yeah, it's just a little pump bottle there. So that's super cute. In day number 12, we have the Dr. Dennis Gross C+ Collagen Deep Cream, which sounds very, very cool. Oh, it smells good. And a really full up bottle as well, which I love. Day number 13 now. Oh my gosh. You can probably tell, like, I'm much more into my makeup brands and stuff than I am skincare. Like, I'm only just starting to get into skincare, like, properly. I do have, like, a really nice skincare routine, but I'm not crazy about brands and stuff. But makeup, like, I know a hell of a lot about makeup. And this is Iconic London, which I've wanted to try for the longest time. This is one of their illuminators, and it's just the original one. There is 13.5 mils in here. I've wanted this for so long. I've got like all the drugstore dupes for them, but I don't actually have these drops, and oh my gosh, I just need to swatch it because I've wanted to for so long. Oh my gosh, like, that is a highlighter of dreams. Like, that is so stunning. Oh my goodness. I'm in love. I'm actually in love. I can't believe I now own one of these. Like, you're mine. You are mine. And we have a Good Genes all-in-one lactic acid treatment, which sounds incredible. Yeah, it's just a little pump bottle there. And how much is in you? We have 8 mils in here. Day number 15, and we have Elixir Skin Vitamin C Paste, which sounds awesome. It's a quick morning mask, protects and corrects in one. Which sounds awesome. Never heard of this brand actually, but yeah, super excited to give this a go. Day number 16. Yes, oh my gosh. Another thing that I've got all the drugstore dupes for, but I don't have an original one, and that is an actual beauty blender. This is my first ever actual beauty blender from the company Beauty Blender. So, oh my word, this is so unbelievably soft, and it's such a strange texture. Like, it's not like all the drugstore ones where they're just smooth. It's sort of like a little bit rough and textured, but I guess that'll help blend in the foundation. I'm so excited. Oh no, I've got to wait until December now to actually use it. Oh, but yeah, I will definitely be doing some beauty blender versus drugstore sponges videos when I get to use this in December. So excited for that. Oh my gosh. In day number 17, we have a Suzanne Kaufman moisturising mask. There is 15 mils in here. It's sealed, but oh, it smells very fresh, very nice. Excited to give that a go and see how that moisturises, because my dry skin needs all the moisture it can get. So in day number 18, we have a product from Shani Skincare, and this is a texture reform. There's 10 mils in here, and it's just got a little cap and a square bottle there. Number 19, it's getting towards the end, and I really don't want this to end. It's amazing. In day number 19, we have the 111 Skin Space Defense Brighten Eye Lift Gel. Wow, that is a lot. So yeah, this gently applied to the... I am kind of excited to see how this works. Like, I get really dark circles under my eyes from lack of sleep because I'm a mum of 2. So yeah, I'm really excited to see how this will brighten and lift my eye. according to the name. So yeah, super excited to give this a go. Day number 20, I'm gonna cry, is the Laura Mercier Translucent Loose Setting Powder. It's the glow one. I have always wanted to use this powder. I see it all the time on YouTube, obviously. So many beauty gurus on YouTube use it, and when I first started my channel, it was one that I always wanted to try, and now I actually own one in my hand. It's a Laura Mercier setting powder, and yeah, wow, I can't even talk. Like, I don't want to wait until December anymore. Absolutely buzzing to try this, and such an amazing product to have in here, and it's 9.3 grams, which excites me a lot. Day number 21 now, and we have a Huda Beauty product. Like, just when I thought this calendar was already like incredible, no, it goes and blimmin' tops it, doesn't it? So we have the Huda Beauty Power Bullet Matte Lipstick in El Cinco de Mayo. It's such cute packaging. This feels so bougie, like. That has to be like one of the nicest red lipsticks I've ever swatched, like. Oh my word. Oh, and it's magnetic as well. Okay, this is cool. This is so freaking cool. I love it. Day number 22. Gosh, really? Day number 22 is a nude sticks product. This is the Face, Eye and Lip Bloom Cherry Blossom Babe. So we open it up and we've got the colour at the top, and then at the bottom we have the brush, which is so cool. So yeah, really excited to try that as well. Day number 23, and we have a Milk makeup product. This just says cooling water on the back. No idea what I use this for, but I'm sure I will learn. So that's so cool. In day number 24, this is Christmas Eve. Oh my gosh. We have a Joe Love's White Rose and Lemon Leaves Votive Candle, and it's got a 10-hour burn time. Oh my gosh. That smells divine. Oh my goodness. So yeah, we've got like a little Joe Love's candle. It's so cute. So that's going to be perfect for burning on Christmas Eve. And last but not least, guys, let's open up day number 25. It's huge. Hey, where is it? Oh. There's so many products in here. Oh my gosh. Oh my word. What? We've got an Omorovicka Miracle Facial Oil, which looks awesome. We have a little 5 ml little dropper bottle in here, which is so cute. Love that. We've got an It Cosmetics Confidence in a Cream Transforming Moisturising Super Cream, which sounds amazing. Oh, smells good too. That is 7 mils in there. We've got a Zellen's Transformer Instant Renewal Mask, which sounds cool. 10 mils in there. This is the coolest number 25 that I've ever opened. We've also got a Fresh Soy Face Cleanser, which is 20 mils. Oh my gosh, no way. No freaking way. We've got an Anastasia Beverly Hills product, and this is a clear brow gel, which I use all the time. I love brow gels, and gonna use an Anastasia Beverly Hills one on Christmas Day. This is 2.5 mils in here. Oh my gosh. No way. We have, oh my gosh, I can't even deal. We have a Damn Girl Too Faced mascara. Wow. Oh my gosh. So yeah, so we've got like a little mini Too Faced Damn Girl mascara, which is just incredible. Oh my gosh. I'm gonna look so good on Christmas Day. Oh my gosh. We've also got a Hourglass Veil Mineral Primer. Hourglass. I have an Hourglass product in my hand that belongs to me now. Oh my gosh, I can't. Yes, it's just got a little spatula. It's 3.6 mils. Just keeps on going, doesn't it? NARS. We've got a NARS product in here. Oh my gosh. So we've got a NARS Power Matte Lip Pigment in the shade Star Woman, which will be going on my lips on Christmas Day. Oh my gosh. Oh my word. What? That is so cute. Oh my gosh, I can't eat, like look, NARS, like NARS. We also have a zit sticker, and this is the zit sticker cleaning swab. So I'm just going to tuck that in there. But yeah, I've heard amazing things about this. It's like when you've got like a spot just coming up, you can like stick it on like a patch and it dissolves, and like your spot will sort of not be as bad, or it will clear up really quickly. I've never actually tried it or seen it on anyone, like any reviews or anything, so I'm not sure exactly if it works or not, but yeah, apparently that's what it's meant to do, so super excited to actually give this a go and see if it works. The second to last thing in this door is the Patchology Flash Patch Illuminating Eye Gels. Just got one pair in here, but I've heard so many good things about Patchology, so super excited to give these a go. The final thing in this advent calendar is amazing. It is a £25 gift certificate to spend on the world's best beauty products at Cult Beauty. I am so excited. What I might actually do is spend this now, like get a little something else and put it in the day number 25, because I've been eyeing up some more of the Huda Beauty palettes, because I've got one, the Mauve Obsessions one, and I love it so much. I want to invest in some more, and they're £25, or the new ones are 27, so this might go towards that, and I might pop that in to day number 25 just as an extra little Christmas present to me as well. So that is everything, guys. That is everything that was in the Cult Beauty Advent Calendar for 2019. Oh my goodness, guys, this has been my favourite Advent Calendar yet. Like, I'm so shocked at how good this was. Like, it's amazing. Like, you get over £680 worth of stuff in here. It is hella expensive, and I know it's sold out and stuff now, guys, but I cannot wait to see what advent calendar they bring out for 2020, because I am gonna be signing up to that waiting list. I just know it. As always, guys, I want to hear your thoughts and opinions on this advent calendar. Let me know down in the comments what you thought, and what you would have had differently in there if you managed to pick it up, or if you didn't, or whether you'll be looking out for next year's for sure. And yeah, guys, thank you so much for watching. If you did like it, don't forget to smash the thumbs up button, subscribe down below, and go follow me over on Instagram at It's Sammy Lou. I'll leave the link down below, as well as the link to Cult Beauty, just in case you guys did want to pick up any of the products that you saw in the advent calendar today. And yeah, guys, thank you so much for watching, and hopefully I will see you in my next video. Take care. Bye.